Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the disrupt class, a trickster. So what you need to do is go to your loadout battle royale page and tap the class page at the bottom of your screen. Tap it. As you can see, there are 5 class in here. That I want to show you is this one, disrupt class. There are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 subclass. The trickster. So this is a psychosis that launched to or deployed to holographic decoy and a major speed boost to confuse your enemies. And also it has a passive trait, disrupt. After activating this skill, your movement speed is increased. Let's see the detail. Tap the yellow screen. As you can see, it generates 2 holographic projection to move forward and confuse your opponent. And also it has alert perk. Hear an enemy footsteps easier with wider range of hearing. So it makes you aware of your enemy. Let's try in the battleground. Training battle royale. Welcome to battle royale training ground. As you can see, my psychonesis is already active. Let's try to face the opponent. Tap the skill. As you can see, it launched holographic holographic or cloning of you to disrupt the enemy to make them confused. So try it now in ranked match. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.